What's up you guys? Welcome. Hit that subscribe. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you. I hope you'll subscribe and be a part of the family. I post videos twice a week, but if you've been rocking with me, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for all the support, and don't forget to get active in the comment box. I wanted to start this section of my channel called Review, R-E-V-I-E-W, and it's not just review. I call it review because it's the section that will talk about things that I talked about on my channel when they were new, when I just got them, but as I get to using them and try to enjoy them, then I want to come back and tell you guys like, hey, this wasn't worth it, or hey, go for this is a real good investment. I, like other creators, will talk about things when they're new, when we just get them, and then you guys never hear about them again. And not everybody rush to buy things right away. Some people have to save towards things, and some people have to think about it, and some people have to just kind of wait and watch and wait until the price drop, and I'm one of those people that wait until the price drop. Last night I was thinking about my Alexander McQueen, and I thought to myself that I want to start a little review channel, a re-review of what I've talked about. And I want to just come back after a while, after I've worn them, used whatever product it is. I want to come back and say, hey, this was a good product. Hey, this is not worth the splurge, because I'm not here to cover a shade for these big companies or whoever you guys buy from. If something don't work, it just don't work. But also keep in mind that it might work for you, but it don't work for me. When I'm telling you about what was wrong with the item, or what is wrong with the item, or why I don't enjoy the item, I'm just telling you from my point of view. Not necessarily everybody's gonna experience what I'm experiencing or what I've experienced, but I wanted to bring my own experience to you guys. So today what we're gonna talk about is this shoes right here. I can't show it, I'll insert a picture because it will just wash me out, you know. It is the Alexander McQueen I want to talk about today. It's well known, a lot of people love it. You'll see it on a lot of celebrity, a lot of content creator, a lot of influencers, or a lot of other people out there. People just love these shoes, and the price mark of this shoes was not really cheap. This is a shoes that people have to save for. If you're not a celebrity or you're just a basic American that work a 9 to 5, people have to save for this. So when you buy something like this, you must buy it because you really love it. When I buy things, I buy them because I really love them. I don't buy because it's in or buy for hype. I buy things that I see me wearing over and over again for different occasions. So this Alexander McQueen was one of them. I really liked it. First of all, I liked it because of its platform. I tend to go for platforms. I'm a little shorter. I don't want to always wear heels, and I like a little lift, which I get that from platforms. So that's the first thing that drew me to it. But then I looked at the shoes, and the shoes was like real sleek, and it was just a really good looking shoes. It was just a shoes that I see me wearing with a lot of things. This wasn't a regular sneakers. I saw me wearing the sneakers with a lot of things for dress up. Like for example, today I wore this to church. So this was an investment for me, and the sneakers is beautiful. There's nothing about the appearance of the sneakers that turns me off. I love the sneakers. I love the look. I love the appearance. I love a lot about the sneakers. But even though I have so much that I love about the sneakers, I've been wearing the sneakers and there are a lot of downfalls, and I wanted to talk about some of those. The first thing I wanted to talk about is the tongue. The tongue is so sharp. It's like a freaking knife, like an unsharpened knife. It's not like sharp like a knife that's gonna cut you right away. It's like an unsharpened knife. This tongue here, it has caused like blackness, bruising already to my foot. My ankle and my foot connect. I'm looking at it like you guys can see it. It has caused bruising in that area, and it's kind of just getting back its color now because it was rubbed off and it was black for a while. That's how hard this shoes is. So if you're gonna buy this, or if you're gonna wear this, you have to wear it like wear your pants down in the tongue right here so it don't touch your skin because it's so hard, or you'll just have to wear a socks that come up with it. And I don't think it really looks good for every occasion with a long socks. When I wear it, I wear like a boot socks in it, like just a low cut socks. That's what I wear with it. The lace is nice and perfect. This shoes, apart from the tongue is so sharp, the shoes on a whole is hard. Listen to this. That's how hard this shoes is, and it's genuine leather, but it's not leather hard. You know when leather would be hard, and as time goes by you wear it and it gets a little soft. It's not that kind of hard. It's kind of hard like a water pipe hard. Do you know that? You know pipe, you know what they call it? We used to call it candic or something like that. It's the kind of shoes that's so hard that it won't crease. It's not like the Air Force One material. You know, you'd have those Air Force One and they'll crease in here. That is not that kind of shoes. This shoes is not gonna crease because it is so hard. It's really hard against your toes, so you really need to wear like a socks inside of the shoes to enjoy the comfort of the shoes. The inside of the shoes does not have a comfortable soft cushion. The insole of the shoes is a very hard insole. This shoes is not for so much walking. I can tell you this, I wore these shoes to the Buju Banton show in Jamaica and I got so much compliment because we had to park and take a shuttle to the stadium. Between going to the parking lot to get the shuttle, being on the shuttle and going to the stadium, I got so many compliments on the shoes. People wanted to know what's the name of the shoes, where I got the shoes. So it's a shoe that is eye-catching, where people are gonna want to know where you get it. People are gonna love it. It's a beautiful shoes, but it's not a walking shoes. It is so freaking hard and stiff, and the shoes is so stiff that when you walk, no matter if it's your size or not, your feet are gonna kind of like flop. And when I was asking my friend, she said she don't see it flopping, but I could feel it flopping when I walk. And it's not the kind of shoes that you can lace up tight. I'll insert it. It doesn't, I don't know if you can lace it up tight. I've never kind of laced it up. I've never laced it up tight, but the way it's laced, it's not loose on my foot. It's just a funny shoes. It's just weird. Do I think this shoes is worth the price? The shoes is beautiful and you can get so many wear from it, and it can be worn for so many occasions. So I think the shoes is worth the price, but I feel like they could improve on the material, make the material a little softer. Even if it's soft enough so it will crease, that's fine. People wear shoes all the time that crease, but this shoes is so hard and stiff, and the shoes is kind of heavy too. Actually, the shoes is kind of like very heavy. It's very heavy, but it's properly constructed though. This is not a shoes that you're gonna walk down the road and it breaks. This is a shoes that will damage your feet before you can damage this shoes, because this shoes is really durable. So I still love this shoes. I still wear it. I will still wear it, but now that I've worn it so many times, I know where to wear the shoes. I can't wear the shoes if I'm gonna be out all night, standing up all night, walking far, walking long. I can wear the shoes somewhere where I'm gonna sit and I'll have a chance to like pull my foot out, and even the top of the shoes is hard on your toe. So when you're wearing these shoes, you're gonna need cotton socks to create a barrier between the shoes and your toes. That's how hard this shoes is. But would I buy these shoes again? I really think that I would buy the shoes again. I really like it. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know, if you're looking to buy one of these Alexander McQueen platform shoes, just know this, they're really hard. So if you have soft, sensitive feet like I do, you are just gonna be gambling. Buy at your own risk. Probably go in store and try it on and feel for yourself how hard it is, and then you can say, okay, this is hard, but this is a hardness that I can tolerate, or this is not that hard for me, or this is too hard for me. I'd advise you to go in store and try the shoes on. Don't just buy the shoes online, because it's a funny shoes. Yes, it's a beautiful shoes, no doubt. It's a shoes that you can wear to church, you can wear to work, you can wear to sport, you can wear to the club, you can wear the shoes. It just depends on what you're wearing it with, because it can be worn with tights, skirt, dress pants, work pants, jeans, anything. This is a beautiful shoes. But before you buy the shoes, go into store. If you decide not to buy the shoes in store, go in the store, try it on, walk around with it. Don't be rushy, just take your time, put it on, walk around, feel it, and you'll see if you're able to handle these shoes. Because the thing is, it doesn't get any softer. It's not that leather that's gonna over time get soft and nice and comfortable. This does not get any softer. But apart from the shoes being hard, which is a lot for me, because if somebody had told me that it was this hard, I probably really wouldn't buy it because I have sensitive feet. If hard shoes doesn't bother you, go ahead and buy the shoes. It's a beautiful shoes, it's a nice shoes, people love it, you love it, it's beautiful to even look at. So I hope this review will help you guys in purchasing the shoes if you're thinking about it. And I have other things that I want to talk about that I've reviewed before and I've tried it over time, and I've just really don't like it. My next video this week is also going to be a review, because I have so many things that I bought before that I want to talk about. It's not all bad, some are good, some are bad, but I want to come on here, know that I've worn them over and over and I've experienced them, and I can tell you like, hey, this thing wasn't good, hey, this thing wasn't bad. Not to say don't buy it. I can tell a person how to spend their money or what to buy. All I'm going to do is just give you my honest review on it and tell you about my experience on it. So if you made it this far in this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.